So we have an old OTIS that appears to have had its buttons replaced. We've got Concave on here. Got a drop key latch on the doors. OTIS. It's quite sizable in here. Okay, yeah, so the buttons have been replaced, but that's about it. Everything else is original. Well, the speed's not too bad either. Oh, that's levelling as well. The cam looks like it's possibly fairly original. I like that with the old OTIS logo there. That's a nice touch. Most of the numbers light up. Ground's burned out by the looks of it. Not bad. There it goes. And that's it.